All right, next up is ppm and ppb. So ppm stands for parts per million, and ppb stands for parts per billion. Both of these are often used for, obviously, when you have a small amount of contaminant, usually, environmental sciences, that kind of thing. They're generally related to the masses. So it's generally talking about the mass of the solute, or whatever your mass of a component of interest is, over the total mass, in this case of solutions, then the mass of the solution, right? ppm, obviously million. So what it means is, X grams of your solute over 1 million grams of your solvent, or solution, my bad, solution. So that also includes the solute. That can be written as, your X over 10 to the 6. And then parts per billion, right? Same thing. Just now billion instead of million. And that's 10 to the 9th. So let's take a look at an example. If the concentration of lead in water is 15 parts per billion, how many micrograms in 450 grams of solution? I don't expect you to memorize the other metric prefixes, but if you're given the values, you should be able to know how to use it. So I'll give you 1 gram is 10 to the 6th micrograms. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at how we're going to solve this problem. First thing we want to take a look at is our 15 parts per billion. Again, that's a conversion unit, even though it doesn't look like it. So what that means is you have 15 grams of your solute, in this case lead, over it's B, so billion, 10 to the 9 grams of solution, right? So although that doesn't look like a conversion unit, it is. We're going to start off with the thing that's not a conversion unit. So that's our 450 grams of solution. And then we're going to use our ppb conversion because we have grams of solution there. So 10 to the 9 grams of solution. For every those, you'll get 15 grams of lead. Those go ahead and go cancel out. Now we're at grams of lead, but we want to be in micrograms of lead. So since grams is on top, I'll put the 1 gram on the bottom, and then 10 to the 6 micrograms up top. The grams cancel out, and I'm left with 6.8 micrograms of lead. Again, nothing really too new. As long as you have a good foundation, this shouldn't be too bad. If you don't have a good foundation, now's a great time to build that foundation.